Ganyan ka sana lagi-lagi.
Morning guys. Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning guys. This is Nelson Cabanag once again. And then I would like to say hello to everyone all over the world, to all my viewers, my subscribers, my followers, my likers, my haters, and also my haters, and also my believers. Alright guys. Hello guys, this is Nelson once again. Dito sa inyong harapan na nagsasabing mabuhay tayo lahat. Happy Saturday po to all of us. And this is Nelson once again saying I love you all. Okay. And I'm here in my mom's house. Is her here? Yes, she is.
Wala.
This video is gonna be uploaded in my Nelson TV official without any editing, because up to now I'm still on the process of learning editing, blah blah blah, and so on and so on. There you go. This is Edith Cabana, guys. Here, my mom. She is 96 years old. She was born May 1st, 1920. Yes, she is.
Ano ba itong nasa aking ulo? Ay,
say something,
lalaki. Itsura diha.
Say something, Nana.
Basta meron lang ang alaala. Ito sa sama.
There you go.
Dito sa bahay ni Elson.
There you go.
Ay, anak ko, ikaw sana yung maging mabait. Mabait na mabait.
Oh, McDonald's, yeah, iyo.
Mahalin mo ang iyong kapwa.
Kapwa totoo yan. Oh, yan. See, pakinggan.
Mahalin mo rin si Susi. Dasya ka sa baba araw-araw.
Iyo.
Ang nagbabalit sa iyo. Ito'y tama. Babang tama. Alam mo ba, Nelson, ang nangyari kay Net? Hindi ko siya makikita. Sasama ang loob niya sa akin. Suraw pala.
Alright guys,
Dito sa atin.
so that is Nanay Edith Cabana.
Hindi ko na siya
She is already
makikita.
96 years old. She was born August 1929, alright? So, those who are, already 96 by this year, I would like to say, happy birthday, mga nanays dyan, born 1929, at nag-birthday sa year, lahat. Even it was on January and to December. There she is. That's mom.
Babaalot sa iyo. Basta sa akin noon, wala nang labya. Ikaw ay nagpakabait na rin siguro. Bakit ka napaganda? Bakit ka nakaganyan? Ulit na. Mahal mo pa ba ako? Tulad ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Oo daw naman. Gusto kitang makita. Sa huling sandali ng iyong buhay. Na makita kita. pananalangin sa'yo. Sana yung sa mga ginawa mo sa akin. Ikaw ang nagtaboy sa akin. Ako'y mawalas sa tinaway mo ako.
Guys.
Halikan, halikan na. Hindi pa ba tayo alis? Halina. Sabayan mo po, kahanap ito.
Peace be with you guys. Peace be with you. Maybe only 10 minutes. As long as I have something to put it in my YouTube channel. 10 minutes is gonna be. It's already 7. It's already 7 minutes. Oh, I watched something that there's somebody to watch and two old couple, they dancing. Maybe this time they go. This time. Maybe this time. Maybe this time. They dancing like this. This time. This time. Okay, guys. We're going out today. We're going to, I'm going to drive my mom somewhere else, like where? Somewhere in the store. Well, actually, we went to we're just done doing the ordering some ensure for my mom. They said it will be available this Monday. Alright, guys? Macho! Papito daw ako! Macho! Papito daw ako! Macho! I have to practice that maybe this time. So if I got that, I have to do that at home. Or maybe somewhere else. So there's no more, edit. I just gotta go put it there. As long as there's no music around, and so that we will not be going to be how you say that? Copyright, right? Copyright. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. This is Nelson TV Official. I wish everybody's better life, healthy life, good life all over the world. Yeah. This is Nelson once again, guys. And I would like to say, I love you all. Today is September 7, 2024. Right here in Vallejo, California, guys. Alright. Maybe have to, practice dancing and all that stuff, so that I could able to share it to you guys. All right, and okay, that's all, guys. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe God bless us all. Bye.